Hi, my name is Avery, and today we're going to be talking about the fundamental number 9. Speak honestly and in a way that is progressive. Make clear and direct requests. Say what you mean and be willing to ask questions, share ideas, and raise issues that may cause healthy conflict when it's needed for team success. Take it away, ladies and gentlemen. Cut. Okay. Hello.
What is one way you can be honest in your classroom?
I can say that I might have messed up and it won't erase. And I can be honest to the teacher and I could do my test the right way if I have one and I won't cheat.
Okay. What is an example of when you had to be honest in the classroom?
So somebody was trying to cheat off my test and I told them stop cheating because you don't know if it's the right answer or not, and you might get the same answer as me. They'll match it up and see that you are cheating.
Okay. Have you ever told the truth about somebody and they didn't admit what they did?
Yes.
Do you feel good when you tell the truth and why?
Or lie? Huh? Or lie? You said lie.
Did you feel good when you tell the truth? Why?
Oh, I told the truth about somebody was bullying this kid and I told one of the people that were there, and then they grabbed the bully and said what was going on, and the bully said, "Oh, nothing. Me and this kid was just playing with each other." And I was like, "You can ask the child. He's over there crying, and he was bullying the kid."
Okay. Last question. When you want to tell the truth but can't, what helps you say the truth?
I just say the truth, and lying just makes situations worse.
That's it for today.
Thank you. Now, cut.